in the Silva with the boathouse and with Selling Sunset Group. We are happy to bring you aboard the Hurricane 3200 SunDeck. It's a very popular boat here in Southwest Florida. It's got a great cockpit area, great seating, a great galley with a grill, a fridge, everything you need as far as amenity-wise. For the day, you have it all here. If you follow me forward, it's got a fantastic help. Makes driving a boat very easy. Dual SIM-RAD displays, joystick, autopilot, anything that you would need for the day. Easy accessible here. And in case you need a break from the sun, we have a great berth cabin area here with a stand-up shower. And some people will like to say that this is the best bow in the industry. A large 3-seat bow area to enjoy our beautiful beaches and our beautiful sun here in Southwest Florida.
Guys,